Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Workday, access employee payroll and HR tools step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in your company's Workday URL. Press the Enter key to load the page. Once the Workday login page appears, locate the username field. Enter your Workday username in this field. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. Ensure there are no typos, as passwords are case sensitive. Once you have entered both your username and password, look for the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the Workday dashboard. In case of an error, double-check your username and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Upon successfully logging in, you will have access to employee payroll and HR tools. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. You are now ready to manage your payroll information and access HR resources securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.